This vegan flan is silky, creamy, and caramel topped, just like the classic, but totally plant-based. No eggs, no dairy, but all the dreamy goodness. In a small saucepan, add half a cup of sugar. Heat over medium, stirring constantly until it dissolves and turns that perfect amber color, about 4 to 5 minutes, depending on the heat. Remove from the heat and pour straight into a sturdy 6-inch aluminum cake pan on a heat-proof surface. Swirl to coat the bottom evenly, then let it cool and harden while we whip up the custard. You can also use ramekins or even teacups for cute individual portions. Set it aside. In a medium saucepan, whisk together oat milk, vegan evaporated oat milk, sweetened condensed oat milk, vegan butter, and a pinch of salt. I sometimes add a cinnamon stick and a few strips of orange zest at this stage for extra flavor. Just remember to fish them out before adding the agar. Heat the mixture over medium until it's just shy of boiling, but keep the vanilla out for now. Now add the agar and bring it to a gentle boil over medium-high heat. Whisk constantly for about 2 minutes. Agar won't work unless it gets a proper boil. Lower the heat to medium-low. Take about 4 tablespoons of the hot milk mixture and stir it into a bowl of cornstarch and arrowroot starch. Mix until completely smooth. There should be no lumps. Pour that back into the saucepan, whisking for about 5 to 6 minutes until it's silky and just thick enough to coat the back of a spoon. Turn off the heat, add your vanilla, and stir. Carefully pour the custard over the caramel. Let it cool at room temperature for 15 to 20 minutes, then refrigerate overnight for at least 12 hours. This long chill not only sets the custard perfectly, it melts the caramel into the flan, so it pops out cleanly when flipped. When it's ready, you'll notice a small gap around the edges. That's your signal that it is ready to flip. Run a thin knife around the sides if some of the custard is still stuck to the sides. Place a plate over the pan, flip in one confident motion, and lift. I don't recommend swapping ingredients here. These ingredients give the perfect texture and flavor of traditional flan. Slice, serve, and get ready for the moment no one believes this silky, luscious flan is vegan. Visit nutsandtwigs.com for the recipe card and all the details.